Hi Alan, it's Ali here from Alton Nissan Roadbridge. Thank you very much for your interest in 2014 Honda Odyssey. Just a quick walk-around video for you that will help you to make a decision. As you can see, this vehicle is in excellent condition. You can see the tires, mint in and out. Alan, please enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, please give me a call back at 647-705-2323. I appreciate your offer. Again, I've already sent you email. Please check that, and look forward to hear from you soon. We also have some other pre-owned vehicles, maybe of your interest: Murano, Rogue. Thanks again, and look forward to hear from you soon. Have a good one. Bye.